Hello everyone, you are welcome on YouTube channel Learn for Knowledge. Dear students of 7th standard, today we are going to learn Chasing the Sea Monster Lessons English Workshop Questions and Answers. प्रिय विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण चेसिंग द सी मॉन्स्टर या लेसन खाली जे काही क्वेश्चन्स आलेले आहेत त्याचे आन्सर्स त्याची उत्तरे बघणार आहोत. ॲक्टिव्हिटी नंबर 1, फ्रॉम द पॅसेज फाइंड ऑल द वर्ड्स अँड फ्रेजेस यूज टू डिस्क्राईब द मॉन्स्टर. या पॅसेजमध्ये आलेले जे काही मॉन्स्टरचं वर्णन करणारे शब्द आणि शब्दसमूह आपणास लिहायचे आहे. त्याचं आन्सर आहे द ॲनिमल, द फिअरसम क्रीचर, अननोन क्रीचर, अ लॉंग ब्लॅकिश बॉडी, दॅट इन्फर्नल बीस्ट, the motionless animal. Activity number 2, how long does the whole event described in this passage take? Work it out by reading the passage. या पाठात वर्णन केलेली सर्व घटना किती काळ चालू असते ते आपणास लिहायचं आहे. त्याचा आन्सर आहे द इव्हेंट टेक्स अ लॉंग टाइम फ्रॉम द नाईट बिफोर टिल द नेक्स्ट इव्हिनिंग. ॲक्टिव्हिटी नंबर 3, how did the battle between the sheep and the monster end? Find and copy the lines where you find the answer to this question. त्याचं आन्सर आहे when the sheep was 20 feet away from the monster, Led Land launched his dreadful harpoon. The weapon hit some hard substance. The electric light of the monster went out and two enormous water sprouts crashed onto the deck of the frigate. Speeding like a torrent from one end of the ship to the other, these toppled crewmen broke spare masts and yard arms from the lashings. A hideous collision had occurred and the narrator was thrown into the sea. The battle ended there. Activity number 4, what attempts did the ship make to defeat the monster? Find and copy lines from the passage describing at least 2 of the attempts. त्याचा आन्सर आहे in the first instance, the commander ordered the engineer to sail full steam towards the animal. They chased the animal, but the animal still off swiftly. Their forecastle cannon was immediately loaded and leveled. The cannoneer fired a shot but failed the target. The other gunner took aim for a good while. The shell reached the target and hit the animal, but it bounced off its rounded surface. The animal vanished. The hunt continued. At 10:50 in the evening, the monster reappeared 3 miles away from the ship. The commander ordered to attack when it was 100 feet away from the ship. The harpoon was launched but of no use. 2 enormous water sprouts crashed and devastated the ship and their attempts failed. Activity number 5, find the different units of measurement mentioned in the passage and get more information about them from the internet. परिच्छेदात नमूद केलेली विविध मापे आपल्यास लिहायची आहेत आणि काही माहिती इंटरनेटवरून आपल्याला शोधून लिहायची आहे. त्याचा आन्सर आहे 5 miles away, a mile and a half, a meter, some feet above, 6 inch, 3 miles, 2 cable length, 10 feet, 20 feet. Activity number 6, find all words ending with the suffix less. पाठातील अंतप्रत्यय लेसने शेवट होणारे शब्दांची आपल्याला यादी करायची आहे. मोशनलेस, इमोशनलेस आणि टायरलेस. Thanks for visiting to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.